Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create a PayPal account. So basically what you'll have to do is simply go to paypal.com and then you'll have to simply click on sign up for free, and after that you'll have to choose between personal account and business account. So as you can see, personal account has multiple features like shop online from millions of global sellers, send and receive payments globally, and shop with confidence with buyer protection. Now the business account, you can send and receive payments under a business name. You have a 24/7 online fraud monitoring and seller protection, and as you can see, no setup, monthly or hidden fees. So you'll have to choose one of these and click on get started. After that, you'll have to enter your email. So I'm gonna enter my email here and then click on next. Then here you'll have to simply enter your phone number. So I'm gonna go and enter my phone. And let's go with so let me go with here, and after that you have to click on next, and then here you're gonna receive a code, and basically you have to simply enter this code to verify your account. So I'm gonna enter my code really fast. So let me enter this one here, and after that you have to create your password and then click on next, and then here you have to simply select the nationality. So I'm gonna go with United States, and then here you have to simply enter your first and last name. So I'm gonna go on and enter my name, and then here you have to enter your date of birth. So I'm gonna go with my date of birth and click on next, and then here you have to simply enter the address, and then here you have to simply enter the state and then agree and click on agree and create account, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, you can choose. I'm gonna go with not now, and basically we have our PayPal account. So now we have to link a card, and that's all you have to do. So you'll have to click on link card, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.